Do you want to know how to generate digital TIN ID online? Watch this video until the end. Hi, welcome to Paano channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate digital TIN ID online. To generate, open your computer or mobile phone browser. Type in the address bar, www.google.com. Type in the Google search bar, OURUSBIR.gov. Or input this address directly to your browser. https://www.aru.bir.gov.ph. On the official website, click the new registration and then select the as an individual option. Click the Create an Account button. Accept the terms and conditions by clicking the Agree button. Input the needed information. Information such as your TIN, complete name, date of birth, and civil status. Input your email address and preferred password. Answer the CAPTCHA and then click the Register button. Open your email to validate your registration. Click the Verify Your Account link. Log into your account to generate your digital TIN ID. Click the Get Your Digital ID option and select View Your Digital TIN ID. Click the View Your Digital TIN ID button. Congratulations! You have successfully generated your digital TIN ID online. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Paano Tutorial TV now.